this video, we are going to learn how to place an image into text with Photoshop. In your Photoshop composition, type out the text you want to use. Don't worry about choosing the right font at the beginning, you can always change it in the process. And also have an image, design, or anything else you intend to put inside your font ready in the layers panel. In my case, I have this beautiful image of a sunset that I like to put inside the text. To make this happen, drag the image layer above the text layer, right-click on the image layer, and select Create Clipping Mask. What this has done is essentially linked the image layer to our text layer, so it's only visible within the shape of the text. You can actually see a little arrow pointing to the left of the layer thumbnail to keep you informed that this is happening. Now we can move and resize our image layer to create the type of design that we desire. I'm thrilled with how this turned out, but as I continue to work further, I may need to resize the text to be smaller or larger, depending on my project requirements. The logical step to take would be to select the text layer and resize it. But as I do this, the image stays stationary. This isn't ideal since I'll have to resize my image again to fit my design needs. But the image layer is linked to the text layer, so why is this happening? It is linked, however, only by its shape and not its position. To keep our image linked to its position, we can hold Shift to select both of the layers, then select the group icon. Now, Photoshop recognizes our design as one, and by selecting our group, we can change the position, size, or anything else without limitation. And this was Design Dummy.